Hello. Good evening. Am I audible, right?
Hi, Srikar. Good morning. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So we can,
Happy
yeah.
Friday.
Happy Friday. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Mm.
So, this link, right? It was in somewhere, and then I had to relog into WhatsApp on my.
Okay. Yeah, you please save it. Even I think I put in my Gmail and even I used to load from there. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's fine, right? Yesterday, whatever we discussed. I mean, two
Yeah.
programs are there, right? Two programs. Yeah.
It was fine, but I didn't get a time only to practice.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Today
Okay.
I went to office, and by the time I came, and then I had to take the kids for the activity center, and then I
Okay.
just came back, and then even had some more work. Then I thought, no, let's not cancel the session today. And then I said,
Oh,
okay, yeah,
it's fine, right? Or
yeah, it is fine. It is fine. Let's go ahead. But those are all small things only. I think I'm good with it. Like we can proceed for the next things now.
but we can do one thing, right? So today, I mean, tomorrow, what time you can connect? Because maybe tomorrow you can practice and come, right? Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow would be Saturday, no, for you.
Yeah, we can connect, but I think maybe a bit late, right? Saturday is fine for me, but if you don't mind, like maybe when is your available time? So maybe after our 8 p.m., 9 o'clock, or 9 p.m., like that.
Oh, so we'll do one thing. I'll see how it is
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Uh, if not morning, evening your time, my morning also fine, right? Saturday.
I think I'm having some work outside.
Oh, acha. Okay, then no issue. So I'll see,
Yeah, okay.
So 8 o'clock your time is 9:30 my time, right?
Yes, I think, yes, that's correct. Yeah.
8 a.m. your time, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So it would be 9:30 for me.
Yes.
I'll see, sir. Friday, no, we don't know what kind of plans.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. That's fine, sir.
You understand, right?
Yeah. Okay. No, that's fine. I got it. Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah, we will see.
Yeah.
If it is a bit early, we will see if I can accommodate.
Yeah.
If it goes late and all, I don't know. Like I'll have some plans to go out or
No
something.
problem. Yeah. We can message and see there.
Since you're in hometown, maybe Saturday also tough for you. Like in the evening, right? You're saying.
Yeah, that's correct. Actually, I'm in Bangalore only. I have to meet
Okay.
with friend. I think it's we planned actually. Like, yeah.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. That's what we'll plan as per our convenience.
Yeah. Okay. Next week I'm going to my native, but I think it will not be.
Next week, I'll also. I'm just
Yeah.
telling you in beforehand. Next Thursday, my time, which is like Friday for you. The same time, we'll not have class next week.
Okay. Fine. No problem. Yeah. Even
Okay. So
yeah.
Friday, my Friday, Saturday, your Saturday anyway, it won't be there. And
Yeah.
then again, Monday also, I'm doubtful.
Okay.
Your Monday means my Sunday evening, right?
That's correct.
So
That's correct.
a couple of classes might not be available. So I'm just telling you.
Yeah. No problem. So we can see. Yeah.
Okay, we can get started, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we saw about these things, right? Variables and all those things. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, today we can see on data types. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So data types is like we know, right? What sort? I mean, it will be describing or defining more about the variable. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, I think somewhat we saw yesterday also, but we'll be
Mm.
seeing more detail today. Okay. So, and then second point is what type of data we are going to store in a variable. So that's what, right? Like still int, whether it's an int, string or float, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see in Python, these are the inbuilt data types. Okay.
Mm.
See, this is a category. Maybe I'll just put one more line over here. So this is the category, and this is the data type.
So this is a new file, sir, or
Yeah.
like you're sharing? Sorry, the new file you're generating every day?
I mean, I'm having something and I'll be adding it up, like, right? Like,
Yesterday, the one you shared, does it have this content also or no?
no, it's not having that one. It's a
Okay,
bit,
that's what. Yeah,
yeah,
because
that,
I'm to open that file also in Jupyter yet.
oh, okay.
I downloaded and kept it, but yeah,
Yeah,
we will see once like how to open and then I
sure.
will check in the
Yeah,
last minute.
yeah, sure. Okay, that's fine.
Tools. Data
So,
types. Okay.
yeah, so this is the category, high level category, and these are the different data types belonging to that category. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you take numeric, I think we saw yesterday also, right? Int, float, and complex are there. Okay.
Hmm.
In numeric type, numeric means purely numbers without any arrays or list, whatever it is. There are three types: int, float, and complex. Okay. We can see one by one. First, we can use this. And yeah, in the string, just str is there. And even yesterday we have seen, right? Only str is there. See, one difference is in C, I think, right? Not even in Java. In C, like, just something in C, like, there is a single character also, right? I think some car, like A, B is equal to of something will be defining, right? Like this. Actually, what I mean is in C, it is having both character and string. Okay. Yeah.
Char is also there, I think, no?
Yeah, that's correct. But in I forgot about Java, but even Java it's not the right I think. But in Python
Hmm.
only string is there. Okay, in Python only string is there. So how we if we want to define single character means I'll put it out. See, in Python only string is there. If we need to define single character, so we can simply put like this, right? A is equal to str of 0, like that. Like that, you can just put an index and define. Okay. So that is what the thing is in Python. And if it and next comes the sequence data types. Okay. So sequence is a bit of like arrays. I mean, in the data, I mean data structure. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Database SQL also sequence is there, right? So I mean arrays will be there. Like it can be used to store a list of variables. Okay. So that is what the sequence is all about. So in Python, we have list, tuple, and range. So this is tuple they'll be telling. Okay. We can see in the notes. Next comes the mapping. So mapping means it will be in this format. So these are very important, right? It's a bit different also. So next is the mapping, which is having dictionary data type. Okay, dictionary. So a dictionary, how we will be defining is in the form of key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. So I'll come again. Mapping. In the mapping category, we are having dictionary data type. So in dictionary, we'll be having key and value. Like the variables will be stored in the form of key value pairs. So it can be like this. I'll be defining it, right? Example.
Sorry to pause, like one
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. Okay.
For the single character, you said a like string, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
If it is more, then we still use, we're not using string.
Yeah. See, something we can put it very simple, right? I mean, I'll just give an example. So if it is a single, just one letter will be fine. So this is an example for single character. If we have to define string, right? Instead of more than one character, we can put string. We can define CD is equal to hello. Just one, this is fine. The compiler will be internally understanding. This is a character, this is a string in Python.
So for us, when we write a code, it doesn't matter. We just
Yeah.
put like AB or ABC or whatever it is,
Yes.
string, but the keyword string should be there. That's all.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. But even when we are defining the thing, yesterday we saw it, even if you are defining the variables, no need to put the data type. It will be understanding it. Since we put quotes followed by some, like pure characters, it will be understanding. It belongs to string. Yeah.
So that's what, no string, CD, it understand like CD equal to hello, correct?
That's correct. Yes. Yeah.
So we can't keep a single character there, string and then C equal to hello. We can't do that.
Yeah, we can do that also. Yeah,
We can do that also.
we can do that also. C is equal to hello also we can put.
So we can straight away use string for like a
Yes.
single character or even multi characters.
Yeah, this is a purely a string variable. C. Here A is variable, here C is a string variable. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, okay. So in
Yeah,
dictionary,
key value pair, yes.
yeah, key value pair. I'll just give an example, right? So in dictionary, we will be defining a variable in this this format. Oh, flower brackets, open flower brackets, close flower brackets. Let us take employee ID, dot employee name. So like this, we'll be defining. So this is one dictionary variable. Okay? Dictionary, I'll click dictionary variable is equal to. See, like this, we'll be defining in Python. Okay. So I'll tell you, maybe in SQL or Oracle, we'll be defining employee ID separately, employee name separately, designation separately, etc. Right? But we can put all things in the same dictionary variable in Python. That is the major difference here. You got it right? Yeah, maybe we can still see down. Okay, this is only the concept. Okay, see today we'll be having seeing some example. There is a separate class for list, tuple and dictionary also, because there are lots of functions over there. So this is just defining the concept dictionary, how we are defining. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this one I think will be knowing Boolean variable is there. So Boolean is basically true or false. If you define, yeah, you got it right. So just true or false, it will be written. And the last one is set. This is also a bit different. Set operator is there in Python. It is having two different data types, set and frozen set. Okay. See, this set is derived from the max. Okay. So we all know that, right? In the basic max, like set operation, they'll be telling. Okay. So for example, I will tell you. So let us take, it's a bit of mathematics, right? Okay. Let us take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Simple example. Okay. And let us take B is equal to 4, 5, 6. So if you want to intersect A and B, okay. I mean, okay, not that. Let us take it here. It has 3, 4, 5, 6. Not intersect, I'm sorry. Let us take in a hypothetical example, union. We have to find a union of A and B. Okay. You got it right, sir. Union means we have to join or we have to find the elements common to both A and B.
Correct. Yeah.
So what are the elements common here? I mean, we have to join all the elements that are present there. Okay. So if we say, if we take union operation, we have to put 1, 2, 3, and again 3 is common here in B. So no need. Yeah, because it's already it's present over there. So okay, 4, 5, 6. So this is the union operation of A and B. Okay. But if one difference here is 3 is present here also and here also, but we put only once here. Okay. That is what the nature of union operation, because just we have to find elements that are present in both the inputs A and B. Okay. So if it is present,
we need to put it, or like the system would.
no, I'm just giving a hypothetical example. See, this union of A and B, like what is the concept of union operation in Max? So like we have
the common whatever values between those two, it should pick. That is the union, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So since 3 is present twice, no need to put twice. Only one time it's fine. You got it
Correct.
there. So this is the mathematics. The inference in Python. So I'll put here.
Oh, okay.
So if it have to take, okay, yeah, maybe what to say, like, okay, please be look at this here. Okay. So if you want to find union operation in Python, right? Sorry, set operation in Python, right? So what it is like, see, you got it right. In Max, we have to put all the elements that are present in A and B, but in Python, how we can tell in another way is, it will be handling the duplicacy. So if the element is present more than one time, it will take only one time. So it will avoid duplicacy. Okay? See, I'll come again. So if we see actually, we can tell this way also 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. But since set will take only element one time, we are no need to put 3 twice. So only one time we have to put it over here. So this is the nature of union operation in max. Okay, in case of Python, we can indirectly or the inference from here is it will never allow duplicate elements. So this is one of the property of set operator in Python. Okay. We can see again these things in the later also. So, and one more thing is in set the same thing, right? We will be defining the set data types or variables in this flower brackets, open and close flower brackets. Okay. Like similar to dictionary, yeah, we will be defining in open and close flower brackets. Okay. Yeah, and frozen set is there. So set and frozen set. See, set and frozen set. This is very important. Maybe interview question also. Set and frozen set. What it is like? Set we have already seen. Frozen set we will be defining in this way. Okay. Like let us take an example. Apple.
We will do some examples on it.
Yeah, sir. So we can see here, right? We will be defining this as a in this manner. Frozen set is a very much all things are very much similar to set. There are only two differences. One is we will be defining like this. You got it right. Keyword before this elements. Set for set, no need to define a keyword. We can directly start the flower braces and put elements. But in case of frozen set, we have to define a keyword before this variables. And yeah, the second major difference is set is immutable and frozen set is mutable. You got it right. Difference between mutable and immutable.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, mutable means it can be changed. Elements can be added. Elements can be added to the existing elements. Okay, but immutable means once defined, it cannot be altered.
So that's why they say it as frozen.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Yeah, it's frozen. We can't change anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see list and list and tuple also, right? Tuple is also immutable. Yeah, that's what, right? See, since please, we can go layer by layer because this is a very things in Python. So just we are entering the concept. Next here down, we can see a little bit more, and there is a separate classes for all these data types. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we'll cover separately on this each type and then.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So to summarize again, we have seen categories and data types. So categories is a very broad level of different data types belonging to particular hierarchy. So if we take numeric, we are having int, float, and complex. If we take string, there is only string data type, str data type in Python. For sequence, we are having list, tuple, and range. Yeah, we can also see some examples in the down over here. For mapping, we are having
sequence list. Tuple means what?
Yeah, I'll tell you, sir. Like list all are like arrays only, but some differences are there. Maybe we can see some example downstairs. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So mapping means dictionary, like key value pairs it will be there. I think we have seen this example over here with the employee details. Yeah. Yeah. Boolean means just true or false with bool keyword. Set we have seen a set and frozen set. Okay. So this is the very beginning definition of data types in Python. So let us go with some examples, sir. Okay. So maybe yeah, we can also practice from here. Right. Okay. So let us take numeric keyword. Okay. So yeah, sorry, numeric data type. I think yesterday we have seen, right, like int and float we have seen yesterday. You remember, right? Yeah. So in case of complex, the same thing, right? So we know this is also derived from max. So complex means it will be having the real number and imaginary number. Okay. So
Hey,
10 is
actually, 1 second. No?
yeah.
Just
Yeah.
give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, one second. So you got it right. In the complex, we'll be having this is the 10 is the real number and 3 is the imaginary number. Okay, J means root of -1 will be defining in max. So this is what a complex data type is. See, in real time, 99% will not be using complex data type, but just in a conceptual view. So it's like 10 is the real number. J means it's an imaginary number. So 3 belongs to imaginary number. Okay. So how we can realize these are int, float, and complex means the same thing, right? There is a type method in Python. So if you print type of var1, type of var2, type of var3, we will be getting the corresponding, you got it right, data types of these variables.
Yeah.
Fine, right? Okay. So we can see up to here and then you can practice it. Yeah. Okay. So the same thing yesterday, right? We have seen string variable or string data type. So the same thing, right? This is the same thing, I think, whatever you have practiced yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So next comes the bool data type. So just we are defining a is equal to false. And please note that it should start with capital letters. See. You can see here, right? If you put small letters, the compiler or interpreter will not understand. But if you put capital, you can see that color is changing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a case sensitive and it should start with capital F or capital T. So if you print type of A, it will be giving bool.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe you can practice up to here, right? Yeah. I'll send you this things in your command message box also.
Okay.
I sent you the message.
This yesterday's program,
Okay.
I think we didn't put exit or something. That's why it is still waiting for some input.
No. You can just continue over there, or you can create one more file in the top. Yeah, I think since today is a new thing, right? Maybe you can create one more file. That's not a.
This one now, new file.
No, I mean, no, not here. No, right click the project, no? Python practice is there, right? Python, yeah, no, down in there. No, the down, still down. Yeah, this that Python, yeah, right click over here. Yeah. New. Yes, Python file. See, in general, if you are creating any files, it should be under current project. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah, you can. I sent you the
chart, right?
excuse me. Yeah.
So, okay. First one is numeric.
Yeah.
Where 1 equal to. So what is this? Like we keep getting this.
Okay, this is the intelligence cell thing. That's fine, man. Yeah. it will be helping us, what we are doing with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we give space?
Yeah, but space is the best practice. Yeah. I mean, before and after equal to. Before equal to also. Yeah. On space will be fine. Yes.
Okay.
Any complex number. It's J. It's J actually. J.
Yeah, J. I mean, anything we can give, right?
Oh no, it has to be J. Yeah.
Why is it?
Yeah, because J is the letter used to identify as complex number even in maths. Yeah. So J, the value of J is root of -1.
Okay, so wherever complex data we give, like it should all be suffixed by J or
Yeah, that's correct. -8, -10J, +22J. We have to define that way. Yeah. It has to be suffixed with.
okay, okay.
Yeah. I think maybe you can directly go to print type of var3, right? Because var1, var2 yesterday, I think you are fine, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
We can start with var3 because yesterday we have practiced.
Print type.
Space will not come. Yeah, print. Yeah, before type.
Oh,
Only before and after equal to we have to use space. Print type of var3. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you can run this. Right
I
click.
don't
Yeah.
select any.
Right click and then run data types. Yes. See complex. It's telling us complex, right? In the output compiler.
Okay, okay.
So this is how the complex data type is defined in Python. And maybe you can go to bool, right? Just define a string. I think you'll know it, right? And you can define any variable as true or false, like.
So should I do it
Yes.
string?
Yeah, here itself you can write.
So should I write here on the bottom?
Yeah, that's fine. You please go.
Okay.
Yeah.
String one or string two, it is up to us, naming convention anyway, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So we are doing a print.
Yeah.
Print of type is what? str1.
STR. Yes.
Okay. Should I execute it?
Yeah, maybe you can complete Boolean also. This is correct actually. Yeah, maybe Boolean just 2 lines, right? You can define any variable. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, maybe you can run now.
Entire thing?
Yeah, entire thing, right click, run data types. So you're getting it right. See, bool is coming, string is coming, Python program.
Class. So output it is giving us class. So
Yes, yeah, it's a data type. Class here is like it belongs to the data type class. Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. So I can start sharing, right? Yes. Okay, like you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So here it's a bit different and important. Okay. So now we can see about the sequence data type. the same thing, right? I'll put some example also here. So first we can see about list. Okay. So list is, as yesterday we have seen in one very one-liner, we will be defining with, it's a very, this is adapted from the concept of arrays. Okay, so it's like very similar to arrays in SQL, C or Java, whatever it is, right? So list means it's 80, 60, 70%, we can say it as similar to arrays. So like in arrays, we remember, right? So what is array like? Derived from arrays. So how we'll be defining arrays means like it will be like list of numbers, right? For example, 1, 2, 4, 10, 15. Like this, we'll be defining an array in a C or program, a Java, right? So in general, what is array? So instead of saving one element to one different thing, we can put all the list of collections to the same variable. So similarly, in Python also, like we can define the set of elements within a same variable. So that is what the list is in Python. So if you see here, the list should follow with, okay, the list should opening and closing square brackets. So like this, it should start with the square brackets and it should end with the square braces. So like this, we have to define a list in Python. So if you are defining in this manner, then the interpreter will be understanding it as a list data type. Okay, sir, you're fine, right? It is 2 points.
Mm-hmm.
So it's adapted from the arrays in previous programming languages. And we have to define a list with open and close square brackets. So all the elements will be coming within this open and close square brackets. Okay. Here, list can support heterogeneous data types. So the same thing, right? Heterogeneous data types means, see, the list can have 12, which is a int. What else, like car, which is a string, 12, maybe 100.5 is a float. So it can have a list of different data types also. It is completely fine in Python. Okay, it can support different data types inside the same list. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the fourth important concept is list is indexed. Indexed means you got it right. So here, so let us take this example as list 1 is equal to 12 car and 100.5. So we are just defining a variable of this list as list 1. So indexed means list of 0. So it will start with a subscript s, sorry, 0. So list 1 of 0 means it will be 12. List 1 of 1 means it will be car. List 1 of 2 means it is 100.5. So it is subscripted. So 0, 1, 2, starting with 0, it will be going on. Okay. You got it right. This is four important concept. So these are, we are just entering one more layer. So just maybe we saw yesterday in one liner as list is a sequence data type, which is similar to array we have seen. Here, 2, 3 more concepts we have seen, like should follow square, open and close square brackets, and list can support heterogeneous data types. Third is list is indexed. Excuse me. So indexed means 0, 1, 2, it will be going on. Okay.
It is can be indexed or it is by default indexed.
It's by default indexed. Okay. If you want to retrieve car means we have to give list of 1. If you print list 1 of 1 means it will be giving car as the output. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let us see the last important thing of the list today. List is mutable. We have seen, right? So this is interview question comparison. So this is very, very important interview question. Comparison or difference between list and tuple. Okay. So tuple we can see next, but the major point here is list is mutable. So, it can be like we can add elements, we can delete elements, we can modify the elements. So let us take, for example, list 1 we have already defined, right? So if we list 1 already 3 elements are there. So list 1 of 3 is equal to what we can put 20. So automatically this 20 will be assigned as a fourth element to this list. So 3 means subscript 3 means fourth element, because it will be starting with 0. So 0, 1, 2 already there. List 1 of 3 means it's a fourth element, and 20 will be sitting here. So now the list 1 will be list 1 will be so like this it will be. Okay. You got it, sir? So just yeah, but see, that's what, right? We can, it's like layer by layer we can see, okay? Like, because in these things are new, right? Due to this Python programming, layer by layer. And also list and tuple dictionary, all of these three are, very vast also. Lots of methods and this, like concepts are there. We can go one by one. So this things you got, right? So it has to be defined in square brackets. It should be like, it's indexed. I'm sorry, it supports heterogeneous data types. And list is indexed like this, 0, 1, 2, etc. List is mutable. We can add, delete, or modify the elements within the list. So this is about the list. Okay. So in a way, string is also the sequence, but I think you'll be knowing it, right? So we have already seen how we'll be defining the string. Only thing is, see, we can add the subscript of string also. So if you put string 1 of 4 means, it will be giving the fourth element of the string. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So O corresponds to fifth element, but in the subscript, it is the fourth. So it's giving output as 0. See, that's fine. Only in this case, we are seeing like how we can subscript a string also. That's the only addition over here. Okay. Yeah. Please, string you forget. We can focus list on list and tuple. Okay. The string. Yeah, just 1 point over here. So I think we're now comes the tuple. So I think these things you have seen. And again, if you put or if you print type of list 1 means it will be giving the class as list. So class list means it belongs to data type list. So now we can see about tuple. So it's another sequence data type similar to list in Python. So it is also separated by commas. So one difference you can observe here is one major difference you can observe with tuple is it should be elements should be placed between this. Okay, I'll put open this bracket and close this normal bracket. Okay. So if we define tuple equal to open a normal bracket, and if you add elements and close the bracket means, then the interpreter will be understanding all this belongs to tuple data type. Okay, that's the only difference. So in list you might have seen as square brackets, but in tuple it's a rounded brackets. Okay.
Okay.
And the same thing, like, so whatever we have seen in the list, the same thing in tuple. Tuple supports heterogeneous data types.
So where list doesn't support?
Yeah, list also support, right? We have seen, right?
So what is the difference then?
Yeah, these are common things. Yeah, sir. I'll tell the properties one by one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So and tuple.
1 second, sir. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah. I'll just.
Yes.
Yeah, to continue. So same thing. So similar properties. So tuple also supports heterogeneous data types. Tuple also indexed. So if you see here, tuple 1 of 0 means it will be 124. Tuple 1 of 1 means it will give this program. So like this tuple also it's indexed starting with 0. N. Yeah, sir. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing is tuple is immutable. This is the major difference. So one is this square brackets and this round brackets. Another major difference between list and tuple is immutable. Okay, so we can't change the elements once defined in the tuple. Okay.
So we can't change means like if at all we only wanted to change. Let's say okay. If I understand the program let's say if in a runtime, if somebody puts like in a sequence and all, right? So
Yeah,
there is an option where you can prompt it. If you run that, it will prompt you to key in your value.
I
Rather
didn't
than
get.
hard coded, let's say if you put your name, then only it will display your address. Like that, we can keep it. Okay. If I
Yeah.
put my name as a value when they execute a query,
Okay.
it gives my details.
Yes.
So let's assume that this is also a piece of code, and then uh, if I understand, immutable means these values cannot be changed in the program.
Yes. Yes. That's correct. Yeah.
So if at all you want to change, what is the solution, sir?
Oh, okay. So we can go. Then we can go for list instead of tuple. We can go for list
So you
because
need to
it's also.
redesign your code again. Wherever it is immutable, we need to make it as list.
Yes. Redesigning. See, I think. See, like. I don't know how to put. So see, we'll be having an idea, right? I mean, yeah, we'll be having an idea like how the data types will be. So if you get to know that, then we can start with list itself. You got it right. So
But
yeah,
sometimes, we get some enhancement or we need to get
mhm.
some modification where you need to change the code.
See,
So in such cases, how usually it will be handled in the industry? I mean,
okay. In that case, yeah, I got the point. Okay, in this case, we can. There is one more way, right? We can typecast to list. See, whatever tuple one is here, right? We can typecast or convert into list over here, and then we can do the changes. Even after that, we can revert back to tuple also. You got it,
oh,
right?
that data type itself, we can change, is it?
Yeah, that's correct. That's we can just typecast as list of tuple one means it will be
Mm-hmm.
converted into list date list that all the elements will become a list now, and then we can add, remove, or modify the existing elements in the list, and then maybe in the end we can revert back to new tuple. Yeah, we can change.
Okay.
See that tomorrow like that because this
Mm-hmm.
we're going one way. Yeah, you got it right, but it's 100% it can be done using data casting or typecasting. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. I get it.
Yeah. So you can see here, right? Like if we add new or modify the new element in tuple, you can see here, right? This is throwing an error
Mm-hmm.
because the compiler, interpreter, whatever it is, it's hardwired because tuple is purely mutable. We can't change see, tuple object does not support item assignment. You got it right? We can't change the existing elements. We can't add new elements. We can't remove the existing elements.
Mm-hmm. So whatever you define beforehand, only that will be there.
That's correct, sir. That's correct. Yeah. So that is what, this difference also I have defined in the previous notes, I think. Yeah. So list means mutable values can be changed. Tuple, immutable values cannot be changed. This is the major difference. And third difference is, this is also a bit important, but it's a very general concept. Tuple is faster than list. In the inside, internally, you got it right. Internally, tuple is faster than list. So if in an interview or if someone asks the difference between list and tuple, 3 points we can tell. One is the definition, like list is with square brackets, open and close square brackets. Tuple is defined with open and close round brackets. This is the first difference. List is mutable, tuple is immutable, and we can define whatever we have discussed. Third point is tuple is faster than list. These are the 3 points for the difference between list and tuple. Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So tuple we are keeping in this bracket, right? Square brackets, right?
No, list is square bracket, tuple is round bracket.
When
List,
you
yeah, list is square brackets, tuple is round bracket. This round
round
brackets.
bracket, okay. Other
Yeah,
one is it is mutable and tuple is immutable.
that's correct. Yeah. And
So
third,
difference
yeah, tuple is
is
faster than list. That's it. Yeah.
first in the sense when you compile the code.
Yeah, compile the code. See, we can't realize it, but
Mm.
internally, a tuple works faster than list.
Yeah, anything which is fixed where the programming doesn't have to go and look for the values consistently, like continuously, obviously will have a less cost, right? When it executes.
That's correct. That's correct.
Okay.
So, okay, maybe you can practice this two things, right? Whatever we discussed. List and tuple.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I can start sharing. I'll just stop it here. I'll send you this snippet also. Yeah, I'm just putting in the comment box also. You can refer that.
This should go in double quotes or single quote also will do.
No, like I mean, only string should be in single or double quotes. Yeah, that's correct. But for int, float, and all, it should be without quotes. That's correct.
Either single or double will work, is it?
Yeah, yeah, but it should be uniform. I mean, okay, you are correct actually. I don't know. Put more layers in it.
Mhm. This is complex.
Yeah.
So we're just giving a print
Yeah,
full list 1.
yeah,
So the brackets comes automatically.
yeah. That's intelligence, right? This
Mm.
see even this lots of things, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nowadays, even the scope pilot and all they tell me.
Mm.
So you are correct actually. Got it right.
Oh, in the output, when you give this, it gives a single quote.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Okay, what if we put a single quote?
They are also reducing. See, in general, the inferences for normal words and maybe one line sentence like that, it will be single quotes. But if you go for multi-liner, multiple sentences, it should be in double quotes, most probably. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a
Yeah.
standard kind of coding
Yeah,
practice.
that's correct.
Okay, so
I think you can no, I think you can refer that, right? No, this is not. I mean, line number 18 you can refer, right? Tuple 1 equal to. Please remove that. Okay. Tuple 1 equal to. Yeah. Yes.
and then
Any sure.
this is what you gave.
No.
So this is a floating value, right?
This is 12.5 is a floating value, but all things belongs to tuple characters. 1. And just come in 1 second. Okay?
Mhm.
Response. Okay, I think you're fine, right? Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
So shall I start, Sam? Just minutes. Or
Oh,
what we can do? It will take some 5 to 10 minutes, or we can continue tomorrow. What's your thing?
what is the next thing which is pending for today?
Dictionary and set is there.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to understand this file also, how to upload. Maybe if I'm sharing, can I
Yeah,
open?
yeah, I can share the file, right? And then you can upload it and see what.
No, yesterday's one that what you shared, I just wanted to open it here.
Yeah, sure. Okay, yes.
So this is new only, but I wanted to open the existing one that what you shared yesterday, which I've
Okay,
downloaded.
yeah.
So where do I get an option to
Okay.
open the file?
Excuse me. So where you have downloaded Anaconda? 1 second, no?
I
Okay,
downloaded your file in some folder in the desktop, that I know.
okay. See, what you can do is you can go to, I think it's in C drive users and your name, I think, right? It's there actually. And in there, some PyCharm projects will be there. I'm sorry. I'm just thinking. No, it's not correct. Okay. See, otherwise, okay, in C users your name and you can create one project like any name, right? For example, a Jupyter notebook.
If I created like this, okay?
Okay, got it.
Our
So
file is
Python,
here.
okay. So now you just click the Windows button. Here you type Anaconda. Yeah, Anaconda prompt, please. Anaconda prompt. Now you give the path, right? Up to Python docs, you have to give the path over here. It's very similar to command prompt. Okay, you are there. Okay. You go to the Anaconda prompt. Okay, CD. You have to give the path CD space. Yeah. Okay. Now here, okay, no, that's fine. Okay. See, but please avoid spaces, right? Okay. In general. Okay. No, this is not a typical command prompt. Okay. Here you can give it as Jupyter. JU PY actually. Yeah, that's TER. 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 Okay. Space notebook. Yes. NOTE. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes. You give enter. That's it. It will be loading. Yes. So it will be opening in your web browser. This home page will be coming.
Okay.
Here you can double click the Python variables. Yeah, double click the Python variables. Now you can view this Jupyter node, Python variables file. Jupyter, yeah, got it, right?
Oh, okay. Get it.
So yeah, again I'll tell you the first step. Anaconda prompt you can load from your Windows button. Second one, you have to go to your home path of these files. Third one, you have to, after done, third one, you have to type Jupyter space notebook. That's it. Then this Jupyter notebook will be loading in your web browser with the home directory or home page.
Okay. What you're saying is we should not be giving this as a space one.
Yeah. You can put underscore or hyphen, whatever it is.
Okay, get it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to share? You can share.
Yeah, fine. So maybe dictionary insert you can say today. Today in the sense tomorrow morning, right? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So tomorrow morning dictionary set, and then we can revise, and then also like you please if you get some time you practice, or otherwise we can work on tomorrow morning. So it's fine for me. Yeah.
Yeah, morning also tomorrow. Okay, so your evening also, I think I might be if it works for you.
Yeah, I'll message you, sir. Okay. Hopefully I can.
Even if you're late night, if you feel.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up to us.
Yeah, that works for me. I see late night I used to work. That's fine
Because
for me.
Friday, right? Anyway, we will not be having any meetings only.
See, that's what I think it's until unless no dynamic meetings, I'm completely fine. So maybe I'll message you by 8 o'clock like that, right? It's fine, right? 8 p.m. IST like that. I'll message.
8 p.m. means 9:30. Yeah, however late you want, I'm okay, but it is not compulsory. It's up to you. I mean, if you don't want,
No.
if you are stressed or something, it's up to you.
No, that's fine, sir. I can find for me, right? Yeah, so we can connect.
Why folder is open in another program? Okay, so did we open somewhere?
Yeah. I think see it will not allow. I think it's you have to close the Jupyter notebook. See, sometimes if the file is opened in Jupyter notebook or Anaconda, it will not allow. Yeah.
So here we closed it actually.
Closed it and command prompt also you have to close it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's the thing in Anaconda or Jupyter notebook. Yeah, you have to close.
Jupyter notebook. Okay, I'm just wondering now, let's say we closed everything, okay? Now, if I want to open that file again, do I need to come back to that command prompt again all the time, every time I do?
Yeah, that's what, right? See, what I'll be doing is I'll be fixing that. See, Anaconda, that window, it will always be there with me. Because I'll not be shutting down my machine. I'll just lock the system and going, right? So it will always be running there in the backend and it will not be consuming that much memory also.
No, no, not memory. Now, if I want to open this file again.
You have to come from the Anaconda prompt only.
Oh, that is the only way, not from the browser. Like we cannot do anything.
Anyways, yeah, I got a point. You please go to the browser, no? That Chrome browser you are opening.
Yeah, that's what I just wanted. Okay.
Yeah, no, one more window is there. Oh, you already closed, right? No, you have
I closed it. I closed it.
that home directory alone. Now you have to come again from the Anaconda. I mean, that Anaconda prompt window only. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there is a limitation that we can't simply go
Yeah.
via browser.
Yeah, that's correct.
Anaconda prompt. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we'll have to go to that.
I think it's, yeah, that's correct already. You underscore docs, Python underscore
Yeah.
docs. Enter Jupyter Notebook.
Okay.
Jupyter Notebook. It's PY. Yeah. Notebook. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct. Yes.
So whatever file now you will be sharing for today's one,
Yes.
I'll have it saved and then I'll try to open it and practice in my PyCharm.
Yeah, you can create one more file. You can practice over there. You can keep this as a hardware. Or,
Yeah, I mean when you give me like you like Python data types or something, you try
yeah.
to.
Yes, I got it. Yeah. Okay.
This is today's one, no, right?
This is
This is
yesterday. Yeah.
yeah. Today one also will do the same thing. So initially like we'll get familiar with it just to
Yeah.
understand. If I see a code, okay, this is this data type. At least I'll get an idea.
Yeah.
And slowly as we progress, we'll see like how a big line of codes happen usually, like
Yeah.
things.
Sure, sure. Okay, fine.
So
So,
usually you get to write a bigger programs, Sherry, like how is it? Or
yes,
you will just be.
see, like the same thing, right? Yeah, writing the big files. And how to say, like, see, these things are directly or indirectly will be useful for us in always, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one is like how to say, like, see, in any business logics, right? Definitely these things will be useful for us, right? So
Mm-hmm.
also most of the things are extension of whatever we are seeing, right? This especially dictionary, list, and tuple are very, very important. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So remaining things, I think it's a basic, and I think we are getting into the things I can see. I mean, as in a friendly thought, I think we are getting into the things. But always this dictionary, list, and tuple are very important in Python. Also, it's very new compared to other languages. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, you can master it in few days. No problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing. And any other thing? Okay. Yeah. So today we can see. I mean today means next class we can see on today means for me today is different and for you today is different. So in the next class we can see dictionary set. It will take some 15 minutes. Slowly we can go through.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And the second one is we can revise whatever data types again. Okay. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. And the third one, you can, those two assignments are there, right? Like yesterday we have discussed, last class we have. So that one we can see. And then data types also, one or two programs you can practice. So I think this will fit to 1 hour. And yeah, these things, yeah, 3 4
Okay. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Sure. Let me also practice these things. Like I'll try to read some more content online and then
Yeah, okay.
if at all I have any doubts, I'll come back.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Hey, thank you. Yeah.